बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम या रसूलुल्लाह अस्सलाम वालेकुम या हबीबल्लाह। प्यारे व्यूअर्स, मैं हूं मलिक फैज मजबार एडवोकेट हाई कोर्ट और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल। प्यारे व्यूअर्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे सेक्शन 515 अपील फ्रॉम and revision of orders under section 514. All orders passed by any magistrate under section 514 shall be appealable to session judge, or if no appeal is preferred against any such order may be revised by the session judge. Section 516 power to direct levy of amount due on certain recognizance. The High Court or Court of Session may direct any magistrate to levy the amount due on a bond to appear and attend at such High Court or Court of Session. Next chapter of the disposal of property. Section 516A. Order for custody and disposal of property pending trial in certain cases. When any property regarding which any offence appears to have been committed, or which appears to have been used for the commission of any offence is produced before any criminal court during any inquiry or trial, the court may make such order as it thinks fit for the proper custody of such property pending the conclusion of the inquiry of trial. And if the property is subject to speedy or natural decay may, after recording such evidence as it thinks necessary, order it to be otherwise disposed of. Provided that if the property consists of explosive substances, the court shall not order it to be sold or handed over to any person other than a government department or office dealing with, or to an authorized dealer in such substances. Provided further that if the property is a dangerous drug intoxicating liquor, or any other narcotic substance seized for taken into custody under the Dangerous Drug Act 1930, second half 1930, the Customs Act 1969, the Prohibition Enforcement of HUD Order 1979, PO4 of 1979, or any other law for the time being in force, the court may neither on an application or of its own motion and under its supervision and control obtain and prepare such number of samples of the property as it may deem fit for safe custody and production before it or any other court, and causes destructions of the remaining portion of the property under a certificate issued by it in that behalf, provided also that such samples shall be deemed to be whole of the property in an inquiry or proceeding in relating to such offence before any authority or court Section 517 Order for disposal of property regarding which offences committed when an inquiry or a trial any criminal court is concluded, the court may make such order as it thinks fit for the disposal of destruction, confiscation, or delivery to any person claiming to be entitled to possession thereof or otherwise of any property or document produced before it or in its custody or regarding which any offense appears to have been committed or which has been used for the commission of any offences. Number two, when a high court or court of session make such order and cannot through its own officers conventionally deliver the property to the person entitled thereto, such court may direct that the order be carried effect by the district officer revenue. Number three, when an order is made under this section, such order shall not except where the property is livestock or subject or speedy and natural decay, and same as provided by subsection 4, be carried out for 1 month or when appeal is presented until such appeal has been disposed of. Number 4, when in this section be deemed to be prohibited any court from delivering any properties under the supervisions of subsection 1 to any person claiming to be entitled to the possession thereof or the executing a bond that or without sureties to the satisfaction of the court engaging to restore such property to the court. If the court made under this section is modified or set aside on appeal. Explanation. In this section, the term property includes in the case of properly regarding which an offense appears to have been committed, not only such property as has been originally in the possession or under the control of any party, but also any property into or for which the same may have been converted or exchanged, and anything acquired by such conversation or exchange, whether immediately or otherwise. आज तक के लिए बस इतना ही। इंशाल्लाह एक नई वीडियो के साथ कल आपके पास हाजिर होगा। आखिर में मैं अपने तमाम दोस्तों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ जो मेरे चैनल पर नए दोस्त हैं। उनसे गुजारिश करता हूँ कि मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, घंटी और लाइक के बटन को दबा दें ताकि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुँच सके। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। अल्लाह हाफिज़।